चल हो जा शुरू।
केसरिया से मन जोगी हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो पतवारा हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो पतवारा हुआ रे।
हर पल मनाओ केसरी त्योहार। विमल, बोलो जुबान केसरी।
Okay, let's quickly flash those details on our screens. Railway Minister Ashwini Vaishnav has left for Bagdogra, and of course Kishle would be able to explain to us better in how much time is he expected to reach the spot. But yes, the Railway Ministry that is in action as they're taking minute-to-minute updates of what is happening and also trying to provide the best possible help to the victims on the ground. Railway Minister Ashwini Vaishnav, who has taken over this ministry in the third term of the Modi government and is in charge of the railway ministry, is now expected to reach the spot. But before that, he's just left for Bagdogra, where you see there is the NDRF, SDRF, local cops who are on the ground trying to provide the best possible help to the victims. Let me cut across to Shivangi, who's joining us from the newsroom. Shivangi, do tell us the movement of the railway minister. He has left for Bagdogra, is what we understand. He is to reach the accident spot at some point. What time would that be? And what more are you picking up from your sources in the railway ministry?
Well, we're getting many details coming in right now, Swesha, we have to talk a little bit more about what are the reactions coming in on the story. Kishale is tracking all the details from Kolkata from a Republic Bangla newsroom. President Murmu has just tweeted. She said the news of the loss of lives due to a train accident in Darjeeling, West Bengal is deeply distressing. My thought and prayers are with bereaved families. I pray for the speedy recovery of the injured and success of relief and rescue operations. Vice President Dhankar has also tweeted.
কলকাতাগামী অ্যাটলিস্ট আরো এক দুটি বাসের সংখ্যা আমরা বাড়াবো যাতে করে মানুষ নিশ্চিন্তে কলকাতা পর্যন্ত পৌঁছতে পারে শিলিগুড়ি তেনজিং রোড।
So we will be running bus services so that people can reach Kolkata from the north of Bengal.
আমরা রাঙাপানিতে
10 buses have been sent to Rangapani railway station for the rescue operation
আটকে রয়েছে তাদেরকে যাতে অ্যাটলিস্ট শিলিগুড়ি বা অন্য কোথাও
so that the passengers who are stuck can be brought in, can be rescued.
আমরা আশা করি যে মানুষজনকে অল্প সময়ের মধ্যে সেখানে নিয়ে আসা সম্ভব।
We will hope that quickly these people can be rescued and brought back.
All right, those are the latest updates coming in on the train mishap in Siliguri. Kishale and Shivangi continue to stay with us. More and more reactions coming in on social media. And the rescue operations that are on in full swing with the NDRF, SDRF and the local cops who are on the ground. This as the helpline numbers have been put out for those who are trying to reach their loved ones who were unfortunately plying on this route. Let me also cut across to Bhaskar, who is with us on the broadcast. Bhaskar, where exactly are you standing and what more are you picking up?
Well, Swesha, I'm in Shialda railway station, in that very station in which that down Kanchenjunga Express was supposed to enter. And right now, all I can see, there's an assistance booth was set up by Eastern Railways, and the senior officials from Indian Railways they are present here, and at least a number of helplines are now being started by Indian Railways to assist all those people who are trying to inquire about this train derailment. And all the senior officials there on the spot, and as per the sources, Honorable Railway Minister Ashwini Vaishnav is supposed to visit the crash site the crash site very soon. And right now, all we can see the senior officials, they are present, and assistance booth is now being set up, and there, all I can see, continuous phone calls are coming in for Indian Railway officials who are constantly monitoring and keeping a close eye on the incident, and they're trying to ensure each and every one. Senior officials are here, the staffs from Eastern Railway, they're also here. They're trying to ensure a quick rescue operation, and as per the Eastern Railway sources, at least 2 people lost their lives, but the unconfirmed sources claim that at least 5 people as of now they have lost their lives, and number of injured people, they're now being taken to nearest hospital. And the most important thing is that Eastern Railway confirms that the freight container, the container train that overlooked the signal, oversighted the signal, and that's the reason this kind of incident happened. That container train oversighted the signal, and that train hit straight in the rear end of the down Kanchenjunga Express, which was supposed to reach Shialda station. But as of now, there's an inquiry team. They're assisting each and every people who are concerned with this kind of incident, and of course, senior officials from Eastern Railway, they are also present.
गवर्नमेंट और वेस्ट बंगाल गवर्नमेंट, ममता बनर्जी खुद इसको मॉनिटर कर रही है, तो दोनों के मतलब आपस के मेल से वो जो घायल है और जो अभी फंसे हैं, अभी प्राथमिकता यही है कि उनको बचाया जाए। उसके बाद जो है इंक्वायरी होगी, रिपोर्ट होगा, मगर रिपोर्ट के बाद उसको मतलब ठंडे बक्से में नहीं डालना चाहिए। मेरी 2 रिपोर्ट है, एक है काकोदकर कमेटी रिपोर्ट, वो सेफ्टी के बारे में। अब वो काकोदकर कमेटी रिपोर्ट में सब लिखा हुआ है, अब उसको किसी ने देखा है कि नहीं देखा है मुझे पता नहीं, मगर ये समय पॉलिटिक्स का नहीं है, ये समय हमारे जो बंधु हैं ऑपोजिशन के, वो मैं समझता हूँ कि पॉलिटिक्स के लिए अगला बहुत सारे समय है, मगर आज तो सबको मिलकर जो अस्पताल में है उनकी जान बचाई जाए और जो बेचारे फंसे हैं उनको निकाला जाए।
Former Railways Minister Dinesh Trivedi reacting to what has happened in Siliguri, where unfortunately the goods train that overshot the signal and hit the rear of the passenger train that has now cost at least 5 lives. I beg your pardon. And remember, this is an ongoing rescue operation where we are still tracking how many are injured and hoping that no more lives are lost. We slip into a short commercial break. We'll be back on the other side with the latest updates. Do stay tuned.